Now that we understand why we use slide masters and feedback masters, let's talk about where to find them and how they actually work. When you open the View tab, you'll see that it's divided into 4 sections: Views, Grid and Guides, Zoom, and Publish. The masters we're looking for live in the Views section. You'll see 2 separate icons, one labeled Slide Master and one labeled Feedback Master. Selecting Slide Master opens the workspace for editing slide layouts, while selecting Feedback Master opens the workspace for editing feedback layouts. They look and function similarly, but they each control different parts of your course. Because the Slide Master drives the bulk of your course's layout and structure, and because there's more happening behind the scenes, we're going to start there first. After that, we'll walk through what's unique about the Feedback Master.